Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE N30, and today I'll show you how to boot this device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, hold power key and then select power off. Once the device turns off, hold power key and volume up together. There we go. So from here, you want to use only volume up to navigate in order to select the second option, and then confirm it with volume down. And there we go, we are now in Fastboot mode. So that is how you boot into it, and to leave this, simply hold power key till the screen turns off. And as you can see, the device turns on automatically. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.